Get back to the edge where you fall in. Samuel.
With Sammy. No. Papa, can I?
I don't care.
Yeah,
No, when we get up there, we'll swap.
No. Okay. Damn Meg.
That's as fast as Sammy needs to go. Gotta get that boy a helmet before he rides much further. Of course, we're flying. No, it's fast enough. Here we'll go 4. Go 5. No.
Yeah. Sammy, I'm faster than you.
What's the matter, Lexus?
I go faster. I'm better than you.
Now let's watch up here the buzzards. See if we can get the buzzards. They're up here looking for the dead chickens.
I'm better than you. So hard. Sammy, watch out! Watch out! There's a boy. There's a head.
Look at the buzzards up there, that tree. Buzzards.
Buzzards, where buzzards? Oh, I see the crows.
Them are buzzards.
Crows. Yep, those are crows.
They're buzzards, so they've been looking for dead chicken parts out here in this stinking field.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's rough. The buzzards are after.
Wait, can I ride with Sammy?
Yeah, go hop on with Sammy.
Yes. I want to hop on it. Can I hop on? Papa, please.
Now y'all go. Hey, Samuel, you follow me.
Okay.
5.
6.
5.
I triple dog dared to do 6.
You want?
Triple dog dared to do 6.
You want?
I triple dog dared to do it 6.
Okay, we'll go 6. There we go.
Yay! 6. Look, that's on 5, 6.
Look.
6. That's on 5, 6. 6. 6. 6. There was 6. 6.
That's fast enough.
No, I want to go faster.
You know, watch out. Make sure no cars are coming. No, it's getting too late. You got homework to finish. Tell everybody bye.